There are three important aspects of navigation in AutoCAD: panning, zooming, and orbiting. On the right side of the drawing area, you'll see the navigation bar. Click the hand icon to use the pan feature, which interactively shifts the image view in any direction, up, down, left, or right, to view parts of the image that aren't visible on the screen, without changing the scale or the object. Press ESC button to close. Another way to pan is by pressing and holding the mouse wheel. Use the mouse wheel up and down to zoom in and out. Double-clicking the mouse wheel will activate the zoom extents. Zoom extents instantly adjusts the view to display all visible drawing objects, showing the outermost boundaries, useful for finding misplaced elements or resetting your view. The zoom extents icon is located below the hand icon. The next is rotate your 3D view around a pivot point, letting you inspect models from any angle, activated by clicking the orbit icon in the navigation tab or using mouse shortcuts like Shift plus middle mouse button. To change the view, click the icon in the top left corner of the drawing area. You'll see several options for changing the view, such as front, back, top, and so on. For drafting, you can switch to the top view.